Sa Cuneta Acido para panoorin ang laro ng Pure Foods at Santa Lucia. Kung maalala nyo, a couple of years back, Pure Foods had a player, Eugene Tejada, nagkaroon na aksidente. Joy De La Rey has a report about that. Joy?
Yes, thank you so much, Ed. Yes, answered prayer na para kay Eugene Tejada dahil unti-unti na nag-i-improve ang kanyang kalusugan. At talagang matapang hinarap ni Eugene ang kanyang pagsusubok. At ito, mamaya abangan niyo po sa ating halftime feature ang kompletong detalye about Eugene's health. Back to you, Ed.
Well, that is welcome news indeed. At alam natin, maraming mga fans, hindi lang ng Pure Foods, but basketball fans really wishing him well. At nakakatuwa na makita naman he's improving. All right. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Paulo Mendoza is in the game for the first time as Dennis Espino attacks. Pero nandun na naman si Reda Rolini, kaya medyo na siya. Side-stepping move by Roger Yap. Si Paulo Mendoza ang tatawagan ng foul.
And that's always going to be what's difficult para kay Paulo Mendoza kung sinong kanyang babantayan. He's in there because he's the authorized zone breaker para sa kanyang koponan. And Pure Foods has been sitting in that zone. Na hirap ito Santa Lucia ang i-break.
Let's see if that's going to work with them. Medyo late na, no? Pumasok si Paulo Mendoza with almost 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter. As Roger Yap prepares for his second free throw. This time it's good there. And Pure Foods is back in the lead by 1, 31-30. Still a low-scoring ball game here with time down to 2:25, second period. Paulo Mendoza. Kelly Williams. Mendoza ulit. Binigay kay Dennis Miranda from the outside. And James Yap has the rebound. James into the front court. One-hander. Wala. Kelly Williams. Williams starts his attack against Relimi. Again, just the mere presence of Relimi changes the shot. Ay! Teka muna, sabi ni Wilson, bakit puro kayo Relimi?
Oh, huh? Presence. I'm gonna change the shot myself. Yun ang ginawa si Wesley Wilson.
Eto, makikita natin. Binitawan na. Ang taas na ng bitaw ni Kirby, pero inabot pa rin ni Wilson. Relimi trying it from the outside. I don't think that's his shot. Paulo Mendoza, good fake. Good shot. Long two for